Hello friends, by the end of this video you are going to have a cute little paper shark sitting right at your table. Necessary tools required are paper and patience. Take a square piece of paper, fold diagonally. Unfold it, fold over the other diagonal like so. Now join the right edge of the triangle with the bottom edge. Do not make any crease here. Just press over this point. Unfold. Over this marked point, fold the bottom edge. Make a firm crease. Now unfold the whole thing and then reverse the bottom crease, like so. Flip the paper over and then join the top and the bottom creases, pushing the center crease downwards, collapsing it. Now, fold over the line joining the vertical parallel creases like so. And do the same thing on the other side. Now, join these two edges and be careful while you're folding the corners, because sometimes you get it wrong and then ruin the whole thing. Similarly, join these two edges. Unfold it. Now pinch the corners like so and push it with the other side, and then run down till you get to the creases you have just made, and turn the small flap onto one side. Do the same thing on the other side. I've fast forwarded it. Please pause the video and fold it at your own pace. Make sure both the small flaps are on to one side. Flip it over and then fold not right through the middle, but just so that the small flaps are sticking out like that. And then fold a small edge into half. Take your time. Do it properly. And then do the same thing on the other side of the edge. And now again, pinch it like so. And you've got a very small flap. Just leave it like that, don't fold it. Fold the whole thing right through the middle. Now fold along this line. Flip over and do the exact same thing. Now fold this edge and join it with the vertical crease and push it to the other side. Flip over and do the exact same thing. Now you are going to fold over this line. It's gonna take some time because the paper has got really thick by this time. And then tuck it in. Flip over and do the exact same thing. tucking it in. Open the bottom and you've got a rectangle like this, and you're gonna fold the top edges into the center like so. Refold it. Now comes the tail part, the most difficult part of this whole model. Start with pushing the middle crease downwards and slowly pinch the corners like so. You're gonna now flip it over and do the same moves, pushing the middle and pinching the corners. Do the exact same thing from above, pushing the middle crease downwards and pinching the corners. By the end of this awl, you should have an angled tail like this. Then fold the tail over an arbitrary slant line. Unfold it. Now pry open this area and get into that space, pushing the tail into that space. I know it's a little confusing. I'll show it to you once again. You made a crease, a slant crease like so. You went inside and then pushed the tail into that crease. And now with this little flap, fold downwards and across horizontally. Once more, fold it horizontally across like so. And then the last thing, cover it up by pushing this small flap over. And ta-da! You, my friend, have made a teeny tiny shark. Doodle whatever you like. I'm just gonna give it a really big eye and a wide smile.